lane B or he was on the lane A that time? What do you think?
Lane B.
That is a problem. So what happened there? Good, well done.
Am I not too far out onto the road?
You are a little bit. On the corners, do we always, what do? Do we go faster or slow down?
Slow down.
Slow down, well done. So there was a bit fast approach there.
I'll spin up so quickly.
Yeah. So when we were going down this corner there, we were going slightly faster. Now I do totally respect that you are not a learner, you are an experienced driver, you have already passed, but the whole point you're doing a refresher lesson to build your confidence, but also to become a safe driver for the life. Now as we've gone past that corner, what is the risk have you taken that time? Remind me, tell me what was the risk there for you? What was happening as soon as?
See. It was approaching.
There was a blue car was coming, isn't it? And whose lane that blue car was using?
What do you mean?
So this is important. So we have got a one big road, correct? But in this one big road, how many lanes are here?
2.
So lane A, let's say lane A is our lane, and lane B where the van is coming.
Yeah.
So as we were past that bend, when the blue car was coming, was that car driving his own lane B or he was on the lane A that time? What do you think?
Lane B.
That is a problem. So what happened there? There were 3 cars parked on the lane B. So what he did, he was using our lane. So because we were going so fast, we couldn't anticipate that, we couldn't plan that, and we have worry about, oh, it's going to crash. That is the reason why that on the bends, when you're going through, go slowly. When we were coming from the top, so there were 2 cars parked on the left, and you says I am too much on the right. You have to be, because there was a parked vehicles on the left, you have to go to the lane B to go past this. What else can you do on that corner to improve your forward planning? What can you do inside the car so as you're going through the bend that you can improve your forward planning? What can you do inside the car? Any idea?
Reduce speed.
That's one thing, yes.
Second. I don't know.
What people tend to do as they're going there, they're sitting like that. What you could do, you can reduce your speed, keep your car to the left, but lean your shoulder towards the door. And what that will do, yes, like put your hand on the steering, start leaning your door to a bit more, to push it. That's it. That will also improve your zone of vision. If the bend is going this way, then you can lean your body this way so you can improve zone of vision as well.